5 simple self-care practices you can implement now. Between work, home, and social responsibilities, do you often feel that all your time is spent taking care of others? Neglecting self-care is easy in a busy world, but the consequences can be serious. Adding self-care practices to your daily routine can greatly strengthen your health and well-being. Plus, experts share that the happiest and most successful people regularly focus on self-care. Try these simple self-care strategies today. Block out time for self-care in your schedule. It's not enough to occasionally stop your busy lifestyle and take a walk or indulge in a hot bath. Self-care is an ongoing process. Just as you reserve time in your schedule for other appointments, set aside time to take care of yourself too. It's important to adopt self-care habits that you can enjoy on a regular basis. They'll help you avoid burnout, increase your productivity, and allow you to enjoy life. Enjoy your favorite hobby. Whether you love to experiment with new recipes in the kitchen or paint pictures of sunsets, your favorite hobbies can be part of self-care. Hobbies and activities that you already enjoy are easy to select and put into practice. You just have to find room in your schedule to do them. This is an important step and shows your commitment to self-care. Make note of the compliments you receive. You can enjoy this self-care practice even as you work or run errands. Start taking notes of the compliments you receive. You can keep them in a journal, diary, or online folder. Your compliment folder can also include emails, notes, thank you cards, and other things that make you smile. This self-care practice can help you fight negative thoughts. Compliments can serve as reminders that you matter, your existence is important, and someone appreciates you. Remove clutter. Whether you decide to declutter your closet or clean out the fridge, removing clutter will uplift you. Clutter can drain you physically and mentally. It can also make you unhappy as you try to move through your day. Eliminate the things that no longer serve you. For example, if you're keeping clothes in your closet that you hate each time you open the door, replace them with clothes that you love. Do one selfish act. Living selfishly all day isn't recommended, but doing one selfish act that makes you happy can do wonders. You can enjoy just that one thing without feeling guilty about it. If you struggle with self-care, it's often because you spend all of your energy and time taking care of others. There's nothing left in your well for yourself. By taking the time to do one selfish act, such as reading your favorite book or ignoring a boring phone call, you'll be restoring your own importance. Self-care often takes a backseat to work, family, and other obligations. However, without stopping to take care of your mind and body, you're at risk of burning out and suffering from serious health issues. Start making time for your self-care practices today. Thanks for watching our video. Please leave a comment, hit the like button, and share our video. Be safe, and stay healthy.